In Indian financial market, money market plays a vital role compared to that of capital market. Capital market in long term, they may help businesses, firms, and corporations, all kinds of financial houses, okay, acceptance houses, to raise long-term funds, but short-term funds, which is immediately needed, that is being facilitated in money market, which is nothing but short-term market. Okay, long-term market is capital market, short-term market is money market. So in this regard, short-term market facilitates short-term lending and borrowing. So that is what we are going to learn today. What is money market? So money market, nothing but it's the cluster of financial institutions that deal all kinds of short-term securities that include loans, bonds, foreign exchange, and those things are nearly called as close substitutes to money, or we can call it as near money. So this spans for less than 1 year, or it is an overnight borrowing from overnight to 1 year. If all the financial institutions, they need to borrow, or let's say have close substitute of money. So this is what is called as short term money market. That is nothing but short term market, that is money market. Okay, so it is a function of monetary operations conducted by the central bank. Okay, it is a function of monetary operations under its monetary policy conducted by the central bank. Okay, so it's a monetary operation that is conducted. Close substitutes of money or near money assets are regarded to be the financial assets which are transacted on a regular basis, and that can be, I mean, those close substitute can be easily converted into liquidity or money. So at what value? Minimum transaction cost will be charged, and there is no loss of any value of that financial asset. Okay, so of course, banks or any financial institution, especially let's say bank, if commercial bank has to borrow money, advanced loans, initially it advances from the deposits that is received from the customer, and if it has to borrow more, if it has to lend more, it will borrow from RBI, and of course if it has to borrow from some other sources. What is the other sources that commercial banks have? That is nothing but their other banks, okay, other acceptance houses, other financial institution. So that process where it takes short-term loans from other banks or the other financial institution is called call money. So this market deals in short-term financial assets, which are clear substitutes for money and repayable on demand. Okay, so it is clear substitute, and of course it should be 100% repaid on demand. Okay, so in that we have two classification. One is notice money, the other is term money. So the transaction which is spanning from 2 days to 14 days is called notice money. The transaction which spans or more than exceeds more than 14 days is called term money. So because the borrowing and lending activities will span more than 14 days. If it is less than 14 days, that is notice money. So this is how banks or acceptance houses will have a transaction with their peer groups of different kinds of financial institution, where they can avail this short-term loans within a span of 1 month. Okay, and see, yeah. And then what are the instruments that are being transacted in this short-term market? Treasury bills, commercial paper and commercial bills, certificate of deposits, even repo rate is also prevalent in this kinds of transaction. Promissory note is also there. That is one important tool. Promissory note is also one quantitative tools. Okay, transaction done without the help of broker. Here central bank plays a vital role because it is a part of its monetary operation. No broker has a, let's say, leverage in order to have his role as a transacting individual in order to take a share of that particular deal with the commission. Okay, so this happens, and market regulation is highly for commercial banks, as RBI is playing a supervisory role, and it also discharges its supervisory function. Institutions include central bank, like I've already said, commercial banks, acceptance houses, NBFC, bill brokers. All this players or agents play a vital role. And then, of course, institutions, like I've said, RBI plays a prima facie role here, and it facilitates all the activities get. So this happens in this regard. So this is a short-term explanation of what is a money market and how does it work and who are the stakeholders of the parties who are intervening in it. And of course, there is a minimum role of broker in this particular market, and it spans lesser than 1 year or equal to 1 year, but it becomes an overnight borrowing process to 1 year, up until 1 year. So here we are transacting only close substitute to money, or we call it as near. Thank you.